I got a couple of these old cast iron bathtubs. I'm going to make a furnace. I reckon they'll do good. They're pretty solid. So I'll take 2 of those and see what I can do. So here's what I got. The 2 of them. I set one upright. The other one here. Just ground in a flue. It's probably a bit small. Stuck a gunburner in there. Stuck in a handle. Oh, my phone. So that's just simple furnace. Simplicity. Because I don't know how long it's going to last, so. And I just clamped it together so that I can undo it and lay it down if it needs shoveling out. But it burns everything hard out.